An interview is a structured conversation where one participant asks questions and the other provides answers. In common annotation, the word interview refers to one-on-one conversation between an interviewer and an interviewee. Interviews can be unstructured and structured as well. Unstructured interviews are free-willing and open-ended conversations without predetermined plan or prearranged questions. On the other hand, interviews can be highly structured conversations as well, in which specific questions occur in a specified order. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshu, and in today's session, we'll discuss the topic types of interview. Individual level interviews, group level interviews, and interviews are common methods used by employers to assess a candidate's suitability for a particular job. There are different types of interviews, each with its own purpose and structure. Traditional structured interviews are the most common type of interview, where the interviewer asks a set of predetermined questions to assess the candidate's qualifications, skills, and suitability for the job. And if we talk about the format of this type of interview, questions are usually standardized and asked in a specific order. And purpose behind this type of interview is to gather the information about the candidate's background, experience, and skills. Further comes panel interview. In this type of interview, candidate is interviewed by a group of interviewers and multiple interviewers ask questions to assess the candidates simultaneously. At the same time, they obtain diverse perspectives on the candidate and to make the interview process more efficient. Next comes phone screening interview. A preliminary interview conducted over the phone to screen candidates before inviting them for a face-to-face interview. Typically shorter and focused on basis of qualifications and initial impressions. To narrow down the pool of candidates, it is the purpose behind this type of interview. Next is video interview. It is same to face-to-face interviews, but conducted online via video conferencing. Many a time it is useful for remote hiring or initial screenings, assessing communication skills and comfort with technology of the particular candidate that has applied for. Technical interviews evaluate a candidate's technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and hands-on skills. And the purpose of this type of interview is to assess the candidate's proficiency in a specific technical areas related to the job for which the candidate has applied. Unstructured interview is the another type, and it is more open-ended and flexible with questions arising spontaneously during the conversation. It allows for a more natural discussion, exploring the candidate's personality and communication style. Then comes group level interviews. Several candidates are interviewed simultaneously, sometimes engaging in group activities or discussions. And the purpose for this type of interview is to assess teamwork, communication skills, and how candidates interact in a group setting. Panel interview is special concern to group level. Multiple candidates are interviewed by a panel of interviewers simultaneously, efficient for assessing multiple candidates at once, specifically for roles that require collaboration. So these type of activities and skills are assessed in this type of interview. Then comes assessment center. It involves a series of exercises and simulations to assess various skills and competencies. And it includes psychometric tests, examinations, different types of interviews, etc. It evaluates candidates in a comprehensive manner, often used for managerial and leadership positions. Then comes group task activity interview. This type of interview is conducted when the candidates work together on a specific task or activity during the interview, and they are assessed on the basis of their problem solving skills, leadership skills, and teamwork abilities in a practical context. Team interview. As the name itself suggests, candidates are interviewed by multiple team members on representatives from different departments. It assesses how well candidates align with the team and organization as a whole. Then comes case interview at group level. In this type of interview, a special business case is provided to individual case interviews, and it is just similar to the individual case interviews, and candidates are provided a business case and they may collaborate on solving that particular case, and it assesses problem solving skills, analytical thinking, and collaboration within a group. Further, we can say these interview types can be combined or adapted on the particular requirements of the job and preferences of the hiring organization or institution. The choice of interview format often depends on the nature of position, the desired skills and attributes, and the organization's culture. So this is all that we have discussed about interview and the type of interviews. So thanks a lot for your kind concern. And in our upcoming session, we will discuss more about the different types of interviews and how we can prepare for that.